In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of uninstalling updates in Windows 11. If a recent update is causing issues on your computer, removing it may help restore stability. To begin, open the search menu by clicking on the Start button or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Settings. When the best match appears, click on it to open the Settings app. Inside the Settings app, look at the menu on the left side of the window. Click on Windows Update. This section contains all update-related settings for your system. On the right side, scroll down and select Update History. Here, you will see a list of recently installed updates organized by category. Scroll down to the Related Settings section and click on Uninstall Updates. This will open a new window showing a list of installed updates. The list includes updated names, installation dates, and publishers. Find the update you want to remove. If you are unsure which update to uninstall, check the installation date. You may also look up the update's details online to confirm if it is causing known issues. Select the update by clicking on it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you want to proceed with the uninstallation. Click Yes to continue. Windows will now begin uninstalling the selected update. This process may take a few minutes. Do not close the window or shut down your computer while the process is running. After the uninstallation is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. If prompted, save any open work and restart your system to apply the changes. If you experience issues after uninstalling an update, you can always reinstall it by checking for updates in the Windows Update section of the Settings app. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.